If your sales team were not turning up, were not bringing sales to you, were not making calls, were not doing what you wanted them to do, they wouldn't last very long, would they, Brian?
No comment.
Before I start, could I just get a quick show of hands? Who currently or has previously managed a team or has employees in their business? That's quite a few of you. Okay, so would you say it was important when you manage employees in your business, when you manage a team, that you know what they're doing? Yeah? Would you set them targets? Yeah? Would you review those targets to make sure they do what they're doing? Yeah? What if you had salespeople in your business? Who's managed salespeople before? How difficult are they to manage? How difficult are they to get to do what you want them to do? And what happens if they don't do what you want them to do? You shoot them. Yeah, you could shoot them. I'm not sure that's legal in the UK, but we could shoot them. Would you maybe fire them? Yeah? You'd get rid of them if they don't do what they do? Okay. Well, good luck. Yeah. Hello, Richard.
Hello.
Seats by there, mate.
Thank you.
If you have salespeople in BNI, because we are your sales team, would it be useful to manage the performance of your sales team?
Yes.
Yes. So you know what they're doing. You know that they are actually working for you. Because if you come along to a BNI meeting and your sales team are not doing what they're supposed to be doing, there's not much point being here, is there? No. Luckily, there is a way to manage your sales team within BNI. Do you know what that is?
Traffic lights.
Traffic lights. Teach them from the teacher in the corner. Traffic lights. Traffic lights, I know some people in the room don't like them. They don't look at their own traffic lights. They don't think they're important. But I guarantee, if that was your sales team, you'd pay attention to it. If your sales team were not turning up, were not bringing sales to you, were not making calls, were not doing what you wanted them to do, they wouldn't last very long, would they, Brian?
No comment.
They would not last very long. So the traffic lights exist so you can manage your sales team. And everybody else in the room is your sales team. So you should be looking at what everybody else is doing. And they all should be looking at what you are doing. Because it's important. And it is also important, as I say, you don't renew your sales team if they don't make sales. You might not get renewed in BNI, as Yarek pointed out a couple of weeks ago, if you're not performing for the group. If you're coming along and not delivering for the group, then you're probably not going to get renewed for a second or a third year. So the traffic lights are important if you want to stay here and you want people to actually know you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. So the leadership team's asked me to tell you today how to get an easy 50 points on the traffic lights. Because 50 points gets you in amber. And if you're in amber, you're very likely to be renewed. So here's how you get a very easy 50 points on the traffic lights. Now you're going to want to write this down because this is really simple. You get 10 points for turning up. For showing up each week or making sure you've got a substitute and there's nobody empty in your seat. Just turn up. 10 points. Now on the old traffic lights, if you missed a meeting, you lost 5 points. But you don't anymore. You can have one absence in 6 months and you don't lose any points. You now have to have 2 absences to lose points. So by just showing up, you get 10 points. How cool is that? Here's another way you can get more points. You get 15 points on the traffic lights by having one one-to-one a week. Now remember, this isn't about the points because a one-to-one is about educating your fellow members on how they can refer you. So you want to be doing it. 1 a week. But you don't have to do it every week. You could do what I've done before, what I believe Shoran's done. I know Paul Murray used to do this all the time. Take 1 day a month, sit in a Costa or a Starbucks or in your office and have people come to you. You can do 4 or 5 one-to-ones in a day. That way it's done for the month. And you can concentrate fully on teaching your fellow members how to refer you, on educating your sales team in a single day. And that's 15 points, which gives you how many in total?
25.
25. Thank you. Some people are listening. You get another 15 points By doing education. Education. One education unit every 2 weeks. That's 1 hour every 2 weeks. And you can do the podcast. 4 podcasts is one education unit. You can go to Ewan's trainings. You can do them online. A couple of members in the room attended the regional director consultant meeting a couple of weeks ago. That's 2 hours training you could log. I don't know if you did, but you can. That's 2 hours training. That does you for the month. Simply by attending training. And that's another 15 points, which gives you how many? 40. That's 40 points on the traffic lights, literally for turning up. Turn up to a meeting, turn up to training, turn up to one-to-ones. You are now on 40 points, and you have done nothing but turn up. That's really easy. A dog could do that. And here's the kicker. If you go to every single meeting, and you turn up to one-to-ones, and you do the training, you're very likely to pick up referrals in the meantime. And if you do 1 referral every 2 weeks, that's another 10 points on the traffic lights. Which gives you how many? 50, which puts you in the amber. It's very difficult not to be in the amber. It's very easy to do it. If you bring 1 visitor in a 6-month period, and that now gives you 5 points. And that visitor doesn't even have to be to this group, it can be to another group. So you could take somebody from your team and send them to another chapter. You could take one of your clients, one of your suppliers, even one of your competitors who you like. Ray, you might like other photographers. Want to show them BNI, you could send one to Grosvenor. That gives Ray 5 points on the traffic lights.
Indeedy.
Indeedy. Yeah. It's very easy to get 50 points. Which means when it comes to renewal, as Yarrick pointed out a couple of weeks ago, we'll see that you are doing what you're supposed to be doing to help each and every one of you. But it's important you look, not at your traffic light performance, at everyone else. Because they are your sales team. They are the ones that are working for you or not working for you. Thank you.